everyone, Katrina here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're having a super fun video where we're explaining how we can combine our knowledge of the chain rule with trigonometry. So let's consider an example over here. Let's say we have some f of x equals to sine 3x to the power of 4. Okay, that's a lot going on. Well, let's see if we can break it up into something that's easier to understand. So first of all, we recognize that sine is a trig function. And we know that the derivative of sine is cos, as seen from my previous video. But we have all these extra numbers in our argument here that we don't have in just our basic sine function. So our first warning bell here is that it looks like we have a function within a function. And that means that we have a composite function. And what happens when we have composite functions? We have to use the chain rule. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to peel back the onion and use the chain rule to solve the derivative of this function. So the chain rule states that if you have some function that's f of g of x, the derivative with respect to x equals to the derivative of the outside function multiplied by the derivative of the outside function, keeping the inside function the same, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. So in our example here, the outside function equals to sine x. Let's write that down. So our outside equals to sine x. And what about our inside? Our inside function equals to 3x to the power of 4. So now let's combine our knowledge, understanding the outside function and the inside function, with our formula for chain rule to find the derivative of this function. Okay, so we're going to use a prime notation, so we're looking for the first derivative of x. So we're taking the derivative of the outside first, so we know that the derivative of sine equals to cos. So we have cos, and then remember we keep the inside the same. So we've got 3x to the power of 4. So cos times 3 is cos of 3x to the power of 4. And then now we have to multiply this by the derivative of our inside function. And the derivative of this using our power rule equals to 12x to the power of 3. So there we showed how we can use our knowledge of chain rule with trigonometry together to solve for this derivative right over here. See how easy it can be when we just break up what's our outside and what's our inside, and then at the end it's just plug and chug and we get our answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment any questions that you have below, and subscribe for more fun and easy to follow math videos. So happy you're here and looking forward to see you next time.